Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing and having a look at the Bosch Professional GSB 500RE Impact Drill. This is the front side of the packaging where we can see what the impact drill looks like. That's the model number GSB 500RE, which we've already called out. There's a little app which you can use to learn more about the tool. It's called BeConnected, and they've put a little call out for that. This thing is rated for 500 watts. So depending upon your power requirements for the drill, you should always look at this number before making a purchase. And also the chuck on this particular impact drill happens to be 10 millimeters wide. That is, the drill bits that it can support is 10 millimeters maximum. And everything that is found in this little toolkit has been conveniently put on the right side. So you've got 5 drill bits. This includes masonry drill bits only, and these happen to be for 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10 millimeters. Then you've got a spirit level, a little cutter or knife, hammer, adjustable wrench, combination pliers, tape measure, wood drill bits. These are again for 4, 5, 6 and 8 millimeters. Then you have high strength steel drill bits for 4, 5, 6, 8 millimeters. And if you wish to use this as a screwdriver, you've got a couple of bits for that as well. This includes Phillips, hex, Torx, and I believe the flatheads as well. Then you've got a magnetic bit holder for holding some of the bits so that you don't end up losing them. Then there are sockets in case you used to use this particular device as a socket wrench. Again, the bits are for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 millimeters. And there's also the socket adapter, which you'll require for the bits. Then you've got 30 screws of varying dimensions, as well as plastic plugs for securing said screws of varying compatible dimensions. That's it for the front side of the packaging. On the underside, you've got the manufacturer's address in India, in case you wish to reach out to them. On the back end side of the packaging, you've got several features being listed. First being that this thing will not skip screws when you're screwing in or using this device to insert screws. It's got double insulation, and here are some of the key metrics. We've already seen the input power, which is rated for a maximum of 500 watts. The chuck system is keyed. Speed, that is the speed with which the chuck will rotate, is from 0 to 2600 RPM. Maximum diameter drilling in masonry, that is walls, is 10 millimeters. As for wood, it can go up to 20 millimeters. And if you're using this for metal, it can go up to 8 millimeters. And if you're switching this to impact mode, then the impact rate is 0 to 25,700 beats per minute. The device weighs about 1.5 kilograms. Over here, you have a couple of photos showing the device in action. And that's about it for the packaging. We'll just open it up and have a look at the kit on the inside. The entire kit comes in a hard plastic shell casing. There's the Bosch branding on the front side. A tamper-proof sticker on one side, and as well as a little advert on the other side. Here's the entire kit. It's not going to fit in the screen, so we're going to flip this around. On the inside, you've got an instruction manual. Obviously, you should always read through the instruction manual to understand how to operate the device. And there's also a little warranty card that should be filled in. And then you have the entire toolkit. Why don't we look at this from the right side towards the left? So here's the tape measure. You've got the CRV bits. You've got a nice container or place for keeping a lot of additional tools or equipment that you might need. Then there's the cutter or knife. You've got the different drill bits organized in a convenient manner. You've got the wood drill bits, the masonry bits, and the metal bits. Then on the left hand side, you've got the drill machine, the impact drill, the adjustable wrench, the combination plier, spirit level, hammer, all the sockets inside the magnetic bit holder. Then there are the screws as well as the roll plugs. And lastly, I believe we've already mentioned drill. We've got a nice plastic cover for the chuck. Now let's take a closer look at the drill machine. The chuck on the device is, as we saw earlier, 10 millimeters, which means all the drill bits, or the maximum size of drill bit it can support is 10. And you can see that the maximum size drill bit, even in the packaging, is only 10. Coming to the device itself, you've got the button for turning it on. And in case you've turned it on and want to keep it turned on, there's the lock mechanism. Then this is a little slider for figuring out which direction the chuck should rotate in. You can reverse it or go in the normal direction. And on the top side, you've got the impact or normal mode. The hammer symbol signifies impact mode, and the drill bit symbol signifies normal mode. And over here is the key, which you can use to open up the chuck. It's always conveniently placed over here so that you never end up losing it. The cable uses a 2-pin plug, and this is about roughly 1.5 meters long. So that's it for the unboxing of the Bosch GSB 500 RE Impact Drill Kit. Thank you for watching.